Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I did my eyebrows off camera. I have a separate video for that. So now we're going in with the NYX, and it's the white primer. I really don't like this primer too much. I might just go back to my regular just use concealer, but it do make lighter colors stand out. So I might just stick with it for a while. And now we're going with this palette. I forgot it. I think it's Zodiac Signs. So I'm going in with that light brown, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. And I didn't say it before, and I say it now. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I love you. Mwah. Now I'm going with this lighter brown and gold to go under my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with my favorite palette, Okaline Take Me Home, and I'm taking that dark blue, and I'm taking a very tapered, I think this is a blending brush, but it's very tapered and pointy as you can see, and I'm taking that blue and I'm concentrating that in my crease. Sorry I didn't show it, but now I'm taking a pink from that same palette, and I'm blending out that blue right at the edges. Now I'm taking this lighter blue, no, I think it's a darker blue, I'm sorry, darker blue, and I'm going to blend that out in the crease, and then I'm going to put it in the corner of my eye and bring it towards the middle, but I'm going to leave the middle space basically where my pupil starts and end, and I'm going to leave that open. Now I'm going back in the same palette, and I'm going to take a lighter blue, and I'm going to bring that in towards the middle again, leaving a little space open where my pupil starts and where my pupil ends, just so it can give a little bit of definition and not just one color. Now I'm going in with my concealer in the color Porcelain, and I'm just going to clear out a little bit of that blue and make the space open so I can put the next color in. Now I'm going in with the You Can Be, Uncan Be, I think. And it's the Pastry, I believe, palette. And I'm going in with this very sparkly champagne pink type of color. And I'm putting it right there in the middle. Now I'm going in with this little pink glitter. And I'm going to put that right on top of where we put that champagne pink color. And now we're finna grab my palette again, Okaline Take Me Home, and take that darker blue and just fade into the... Now I'm going with the Candy palette again. I'm going in the color called Grape. And I'm just blending that light pink out. The pink was too opaque for me, so I just wanted to darken up that pink. And now I'm drawing on black eyeliner. I am not doing a wing today, which is crazy because I love my wings, but I'm not doing a wing today. I just want to give the lashes something to stick on so that they won't be too visible because of the black strip. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Now these lashes I'm using, I got them off of Amazon, and they're really, really big. Not something I'm used to, but I just wanted to try this out. So I like them though. It was just like every time I blinked, I felt the lashes touch my eyelid, which was very irritating. Now we're going to start our face. And now I'm using the Ruby Kisses primer, pore minimizer, and I'm putting it around my nose. And I'm putting that around my mouth and my forehead because those are the spots where my pores are just, hey, how you doing, sticking out. Now I'm going with the Lorac Primer 3-in-1. It gives me a sheen under my makeup, and which I absolutely love. And now I'm using my first concealer by NYX. That is not my color. I'm putting it under my eyes. And this little lupus rash I have on my face because I want to cover that. And I don't know why, but this lady waxed my dang on pretend mustache, and now I have a mustache. And thanks to her, so yeah. And now I'm going in with my foundation, the CoverGirl Matte Ambition, and also the Wet n Wild in the color Toffee. I mixed those two together because I cannot find my foundation shade. And I'm taking a foundation brush and I'm stiffling that all over my face. And then I'm also going to be using a beauty blender just to blend out the harsh edges or whatever streaks that the brush left behind. And now I'm taking the CoverGirl, I forgot what concealer it's called, but it's in the color Honey, and I'm going under my eyes, my nose, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. Now I'm going to set that with my Revolution Banana powder. And I'm going to go all under where I put the concealer at. And something I don't do, I'm actually using a brush to set my powder. Yeah. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me to set the rest of my face. It is in the color 30 Deep. Medium deep. And now we are going in with contour. I have LA Girls, I think the Spice Collection. I'm using the deepest shade in there for contouring. And I'm using my little contour brush. I think that's what you call it. I'm not sure, but it works good for contour. And now I'm using my blush palette I got off of Amazon. I absolutely love it because it gives you a variety of blushes for a variety of skin tones. So I'm going to make a C motion, just like I did with my contour. Hit my apples of my cheeks, go up in a C motion towards my forehead. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid highlight, and I put it the same places I put my concealer, I put my highlight. Now I'm going to take my highlight. I think it's from Maybelline. This one is discontinued. It's a rainbow of colors. It's gold, purple, blue, and pink. And I'm just swiping my brush across the entire thing, and I'm going in and I'm highlighting. And now I'm going to set it all on my Maybelline Fit Me finishing spray. Yes, I love this. My makeup literally look all good all day. And when I say all day, I mean all day. And I have my little fan because my little Dollar Tree fan broke. I miss you, girl. It really didn't break. I just need to put more batteries in it and I'm lazy. So I'd rather just use the fan because it works just as good. Now I'm going with my lipstick, which is Wet n Wild again. And I forgot what that color was called, but it's a really not vibrant, but a really mauve pink, but it has hints of purple in it, which I really love because purple is my favorite color. So we're going to put that on the lips. And I started by outlining my lips first because my lips aren't that big, but I work with what I got. And this is the finished look, guys. I absolutely love the way this turned out. This is my first time kind of doing a halo with a darker color. So I'm really happy. I thank you all for watching my video and smooches. Subscribe. So